Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is collaborative supply agreements and the critical importance of them. Let's start with fantastic news. The U.S. has just produced its first magnet in 25 years. So that will have profound implications on the rare earth industry. So let's talk about a collaborative supply agreement. So VAC, a German-based company, one of the only rare earth producers outside of China, and its U.S. subsidiary, EVAC, just completed construction on a magnet facility in South Carolina. In addition, Ucore, so a U.S. company that was in deep mining exploration, has pivoted and evolved to be processing technology company, and they have some proprietary technologies and advantages. They have the three companies, VAC, EVAC, and Ucore, have signed a memo of understanding to develop a collaborative supply agreement for high purity rare earth oxides. Very important to producing of magnets, high-tech electronics, and gaining these capabilities in the U.S. Now, what should we be thinking about and taking away from this? You have to think about your supply chain partners and collaborative supply agreements in a creative and innovative way. Think about how you can make 1 + 1 + 1 equal 33 with your supply agreements.